Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix Face Unlock not working on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So first what you can do is take a microfiber and clean your camera lens that is right in here on the top of your screen. Then go into the settings, lock screen and AOD, screen unlock and biometrics, type in your password, face recognition, remove face data, and register face once again. And make sure that you have a good lighting during the setup and use of your face recognition. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.